dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I, Professor Prashant Bua, Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. So in previous lecture, we will started a new module of influence line diagram in indeterminate structures. So in previous lecture, we will solve a discussion about what is the influence line for indeterminate structure, what is Mueller's base law principle, and start with first example of indeterminate structure is nothing but cantilever. In that we have to just find out the coordinate of influence line of coordinates of VB. So I hope you have to understanding the coordinates of finding out the VB. Today's in this lecture we will continue the same example and finding out the another coordinates of VA and MA. So quickly I give the revision about the previous lectures example that related to indeterminate structure. So this data you can see in this figure is given to you. So first of all we remove the support B, and next we apply the unit load at B, so we can finding out the coordinates of VB. For that we convert a beam in conjugated beam. So at B we can fix it, and at A we can free. Based on this conjugated beam, we know that deflected at any point is equal to bending moment at point. So for the same principle we can find out delta 0 to delta 10 with the using of area into CG. So likewise we have to find out up to delta 10. Then next we have delta 10 10 is nothing but delta BB. So what should be the equation of VB? VB is equal to delta XB divided by delta BB. So delta BB value is fixed for our case. So what should be the variable? The variable is delta XB. So put the value of X difference 0 to 10 and we find out the coordinates of VB. Still we have to pending a diagram of VB. So just I have completed first of all the diagram, and then we go forward the coordinates of VA. So this is our beam, cantilever beam. In that A is fixed, B is simple, and a unit load is given over that point 1. This total L is 10 meter. We already find out VB, and this is MA. So for VB, this is A and this is B. We know that we will draw the diagram of VB. So unit load applied on the B. So what should be the reaction at B? Of course it's 1. You can see that at X 10 meter, it means 0 to X is 10, our VB is 1. Likewise our 9 meter X, our VB is 0.859. you can see the value of next. This is 0.851. the next value is 0.704. you can see that already we find out the coordinates of VB. Then next 0.564. next value is 0.564. the next one is 0.432. the next 0.313. next 0.208. the next 0.122. then 0.056 and 0.122, 0.056, 0.015 and 0. So you can see that if our diagram is indeterminate beam, so we can draw this curved line. So B, you can see that A is fixed and unit load applied at A. So this is our influence line for VB. So now we have to draw this diagram. This is the curve line, this one. So we have to draw the curve line because our structure is indeterminate. Now we go forward the ordinates of VA. VB we have completed. Next we find out coordinates of VA. So for that, first of all we draw the figure. This is our original beam. In that VB we have to find out. Sorry, this is B, this is A. Now we find out VA. This is unit load 1 at X distance and L is equal to 10. So for any position of unit load A to B, if it's moving span A to B, so we know that VA is equal to total load minus VB. This is our traditional to finding out the next reaction. So we already calculate the ordinates of VB. VB का हमने ऑलरेडी कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड की दिया है, तो 1 में से वो सभी कोऑर्डिनेट्स VB का हम डिडक्ट कर दे तो हमको क्या कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड हो जाता है VA का. सो सेम वे इफ आई फाइंडिंग आउट इन्फ्लुएंस लाइन ordinates for VA, put the value of X in a distance and VA is equal to 1 minus VB. So X is equal to 0. We know that the value of VB 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This 10 value we find out for ordinates of VA. So you can see that x is equal to 0. What should be the value of VB? Is 0. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. Put the x is equal to 2. So finding out the coordinates, already we find out x is equal to 1. What is coordinate? 0.014. Sorry, x is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Now when x is equal to 1, 1 minus 0.0145. So your answer is 0.986. Then at 2, VA is equal to 0.056. Then our answer is 0.944. Then x is equal to 3. Our VB ordinates is 0.122. Then our answer is 0.878. Then x4, our answer is 208 for VB. So for VA 792. Then 1 minus 0.313. Then 0.687. You can refer the coordinates of VB. It's the same over there. Just you have to deduct in 1. So you can finding out the ordinates of VA. Then x7, our VB ordinates is 0.564. Then our answer is 0.436. Then 1 minus 0.7048. X is equal to 8. Then our answer is 296. 1 minus 0.851. Then our answer is 0.149. And 1 minus 1, because at 10 meter our VB is reached and we already applied the unit load at VB. So reaction we evaluate at 1 minus 1 is 0. So here you have to done the cross check. If you have to finding out the VA, so if unit load is exactly on VA, then what should be the reaction of 1 is equal to 1? At that time, what should be the VB? Is getting 0. So likewise, we draw the another diagram of influence line for VA. So x0, what should be the coordinates? 1. Then next x1, what should be the coordinates? 0.986. You can refer over that coordinates. X2, what should be the coordinates? 0.944. The next 0.878. The next 0.792. Next 0.687. Next 0.568. Next 0.436. Next 0.296, 0.149 and 0. So you have to draw this curved line. So I am not getting exact scale of every 1 meter, so my curved line is not clear, but you have to draw as per the scale. Scale means you have to take the dividing the 10 equal part. Here I have to not perfectly given the 10 equal part. If you have to draw and proportionally you have to draw, so your bending moment like this curved line. So this one is positive, and our case of VB that we have to draw is a negative portion. So like our second step is completed to finding out the coordinates of VA, and we also draw the coordinates influence line for VA. Now our next step is to finding out influence line for MA. So we know that you have to again draw figure so you can visualize how we calculate the MA. This is VB, already we finding out. VA, already we finding out. L, total span is 10 meter. Here the unit load is given in X. Now we find out the MA. This is point A. So any position of unit load between A to B, if we calculate MA, then what should be the done? VB into 10, VB into 10. This is the moment of anti-clockwise. So I write in equal to in right hand side. So it's taken is positive, minus 1 into X. So this one is our basic equation of MA. So we already calculate the coordinates of VB. VB हमारे पास है और वेरिएशन क्या है? X का. So VB का पॉइंट्स हमको वेरिएशन लेना है और X की वैल्यू पुट करनी है. 1 2 3 0 is between 0 to 10 meter in span. So we finding out the MA. So for that again we draw the table. In that first we write down the distance X in meter. So we know that X is equal to 0, X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is our equation of MA. MA is equal to VB into 10 minus 1 into X. So in a parallel I will shows the value of VB over that. You can see that X is equal to 0. What should be the VB? Is 0. X is equal to 1. VB is 0.0145. X is equal to 2. 0.056. Same value we will to taken over there. So when X is equal to 0, VB is 0. So MA is 0. But nature. Now X is equal to 1. So we find out the value of MA. At that time, what should be the coordinates of VB? So 0.145. You can revise in your diagram. Multiply by 10. 1 into 1. Because now put the value of 1 is equal to 0. In first time, X is equal to 0. Then that's why the whole terms of getting answer of MA is 0. Now put the value of MA at X is equal to 2. At that time, our coordinates is 0.056. Multiply by 10 minus 1 into 2. So if you have to solve this, you have to getting answer minus 0.855, because it should be a left hand side of our unit load, and that's why it's getting negative. from right hand side onwards it getting the positive, but our VB is very important, so our whole diagram are getting in negative signs because the cantilever beam are there. So now x is equal to 2. At that time what should be the VB coordinate? Our VB coordinate is 0.212 multiplied by 10, x is equal to 3. So if you have to solve the second one, you have to getting minus 144 and minus 1.79. Likewise, now put the value of x is equal to 4. At that time our coordinates is 208 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 4. So our answer is minus 1.92. Now put the value of at 5 meter interval of our VB. At that time our coordinates is 0.313 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 5. Then our coordinates is minus 1.87. Then x is equal to 6. Our coordinates is 0.432 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 6. Then our answer is minus 0.168. Then x is equal to 7. Our coordinates is 564 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 7. So our answer is minus 1.36. The next our coordinate is 0.704 multiplied by 10. Sorry, now you can visible our the table, minus 1 into 8. So our answer is minus 0.96. Then x is equal to 9. Our VB coordinates is 0.851 multiplied by 10 minus 1 into 9. Then our answer is minus 0.49. And MA is equal to x is equal to 10. VB is 1 into 10 minus 1 into 10. Again we find out 0 because VB is simply supported and VA is fixed. So it's nearer to end. So compulsory you have to cross check our VB MA at level of B. It's getting 0 because it's simply supported beam, so it's not getting any moment. So if I draw the influence line diagram for VB, so it should be like that. You have to place all the coordinates in diagram. So first of all you have to divide in exact 10 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Likewise, so this is our A and this is our B. So at A it should be 0, at x is equal to 1 minus 0.855. That's why I draw in downward of our baseline. This is the minus sign indicate. Then 1.44. So it should be bigger, 1.44. Likewise, then 1.79. Then 1.92. Likewise, you have to plus this all the ordinates. Then 1.87. So it should be similar to over there. Then 1.68. 1.87. 1.68. Then 1.36. Then 0.96. 0.49 and 0. So if you have to connect with all the point using this curve line, so this is our influence line diagram of MA. So if you have to draw an exactly on scale, so this diagram is like that. It should be increase in a left hand portion of our point load and it should be decreased nearer to the B. So this is A and this is B. So likewise our bending moment diagram are there and it should be getting negative because our beam is a cantilever, so that bending moment diagram are inverse to our routine beam. So here this example is over. In this example we have calculated the ordinates of VA and draw the influence line diagram of VA. Then next we find out ordinates of VA. Sorry, first we find out VB and draw the influence line for VB. Next we find out ordinates of VA and we find out the influence line for VA, and then next we find out ordinates of MA and finding out the influence line of MA. I hope you have to understand it is very simple example. Now we go for the second one. This is nothing but propped cantilever beam. You can see that. So draw the influence line diagram for VA, VB and MA form beam as shown in figure. So यहाँ पे हमको एक फिगर डेटा में दी गई है जो कि है प्रॉप कैंटिलीवर बीम. फर्स्ट जो हमारा एग्जांपल था वो कैंटिलीवर बीम था. नाउ वी टेकन द सेकंड एग्जांपल इज प्रॉप कैंटिलीवर बीम. So this is our prop cantilever beam. Thus A to B distance is 8 meter, B to C is 2 meter. So we find out the diagram of VB, VA and MA. So what should be the done in this case? So first of all, our first step to draw the ILD for VB, remove support B. So फर्स्ट फेज में हम क्या करेंगे, A फिक्स ही रखेंगे, B को रिमूव करेंगे. तो B यहाँ पे होगा. दिस इज C 2 मीटर, दिस इज 8 मीटर and unit load apply over that X distance of 1. This is our first step. We remove the support B. So we can finding out the diagram of B. Now what would be the second step? Apply unit load at B and draw the bending moment diagram. So what is our next step? We should travel a unit load and place as exactly on B. So we can find out the reaction at B. This is our A. Now to apply the unit load at B and draw the diagram of bending moment diagram at B. So what is our third step? We convert our beam in conjugated beam. So for that we know that our free end is getting fixed and fixed end is getting free. So this is our diagram. This is our baseline, this is B. You can see that there are no effect in C. So C जो हमारा फ्री था वो फिक्स हो जाएगा और A है वो फ्री हो जाएगा. सो इसका 0 to 8 हमको डेटा में नहीं दिया गया है, मगर हम 1 मीटर इंटरवल अगर लेते हैं, सॉरी दिस इज 6 मीटर, इट्स नॉट 8 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 6 है. दिस इज 6 मीटर. सो फॉर 6 मीटर वी गेटिंग 6 parts of our diagram. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and exactly on B it should be 6. So I divided a 6 part of 6 meter interval. If 8 meter is given, then it should be converted into the 8 part. So this is our conjugated beam. So this one is 6 by EI, this is 5 by EI, 4 by EI, 3 by EI, 2 by EI, 1 by EI and 0. This is our 0.7 and this is 0.8. So total 8 meter span are there. So first of all this is our A diagram. So we have to take these two triangles parallelly while we calculate the deflection shape. So we know that for the conjugated beam, deflection at any point is equal to bending moment at that point. So first of all delta 0 is getting 0. This is 0. Now delta 1, it means this. So for delta 1 you have to travel 1 meter. In that 1 you can see this trapezoidal shape. Again I repeated because it's the second example. So I converted into the two triangle. One is 6 by A and another is 5 by A. So this area into CG and this area of CG, you have to getting the deflection at delta 1. So 1/2 into 1 into 6, because our width is 1 meter, because we have to divided our interval is 1 meter. And what should be the CG? 2/3 of 1. Then next part, 1/2 1 into 5 by A and CG is 1/3 of 1. So this is for 2/3 and this is for 1/3. In that you have to match that CG. So 1/2 1 into 6, 2/3 of 1, and 1/2 1 into 5, 1/3 of 1. So our answer is 2.83. Now we find out delta 2. For delta 2, our base is getting 2 meter. Our base is getting 2 meter. This one is 2 meter. So which one? 6 by A and 4 by A. So for that, first one is similar, 1/2 into 2 into 6 into 2/3 of 2. The next 1/2 into 2 into 4 into 1/3 of 2. So if you have to solve this equation, your answer is 10.66. Likewise delta 3. सो डेल्टा 3 के लिए कौन सा ट्राइंगल आएगा? 6 और 3 और उसका बेस रहेगा 3 मीटर. सो 1/2 3 into 6 2/3 into 3 प्लस 1/2 3 into 3 1/3 of 3. सो उसका आंसर आएगा 22.50. नेक्स्ट डेल्टा 4 है, उसका 1/2 4 into 6 2/3 of 4 प्लस 1/2 4 into 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/3 of 4. उसका आंसर आएगा 37.33. प्लीज practice at this calculation of all delta because it's very necessary to speed up our example. Now delta 4, up to delta 4 we evaluate the deflection. Next one is delta 5. So for delta 5, 1/2 5 into 6 into 2/3 of 5 plus 1/2 5 into 1 into 1/3 of 5. So if you have to solve this equation, you have to getting 54.16. Now delta 6. So delta 6 is a whole triangle of that. There are no separately two triangle. So उसका बेस रहेगा 6 मीटर. So उसका इक्वेशन क्या आएगा? 1/2 into 6 into 6 और उसका CG आएगा 2/3 into 6. उसके कंपेयर में दूसरा CG नहीं आएगा, तो वो मिलेगा आपको मैक्सिमम 62. देन डेल्टा 7, देन 1/2 into 6 into 6, वो तो है ही दिस वन डेल्टा 7. उसका CG है 2/3 of 6 प्लस क्या आएगा 1 मीटर. सो 2/3 of 6 प्लस 1 मीटर. सो उसका आंसर आएगा 90. और डेल्टा 8, इट मीन्स आवर लास्ट पॉइंट दिस वन. तो उसका 2/3 of 6 प्लस क्या आएगा 2 मीटर हमारा जो है. तो 1/2 6 into 6 प्लस 2/3 of 6 प्लस 2 मीटर. तो उसका आंसर आएगा 108. नाउ वी नॉट टेक डेल्टा BB इज 108 बिकॉज हमारा बी पॉइंट कहाँ पे है? डेल्टा 6 पे. अगर आप अगेन फिगर देखोगे तो डेल्टा 6, इट मीन्स हमारा जो डेल्टा BB लेना है वो 6 पॉइंट पे है. तो डेल्टा 6 जो है वो हमारा आएगा डेल्टा BB. सो डेल्टा BB विल टेक is equal to delta 6, and value of delta 6 is 72. We know that. So we know that the equation of VB, delta XB divided by delta BB. So now we find out the influence line of ordinates for VB. So for X we will take in meter, and VB equation is delta XB divided by delta BB. So delta BB is value is fixed. Delta X, it means you have to take delta 1, 2, 3 like that. So total X is equal to 0. Then X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you have to take this 8 part of our total beam. So now at delta 0, it should be getting the answer of 0. So VB 0 minus 72, getting 0. If you have to finding out delta 1, what should be the value of delta 1? You can see that 2.83. So VB is equal to 2.83 divided by 72. Then our answer is 0.393. Then delta 2, if you have to see in your calculation, 10.66 divided by 72. So your answer is 148. Likewise, delta 3 you can see in your calculation, then it should be 22.50 divided by 72. So our answer is 0.313. Then delta 4, your answer is 37.33 divided by 72. Then our answer of ordinates of VB 158. The next at delta 5, our answer of delta 5 is 54.16 divided by 72. It means our ordinates is 0.752. Then delta VB is delta BB 72 by 72. It's getting 1. So here we find out the cross check. When we take delta BB, if you have to coordinates to finding out VB, always at that point it's getting 1, because we have to apply unit load is 1. So this is our cross check. Then delta 7, our VB coordinates you can find out. So delta 7 is 90 divided by 72, so it's 125. And last one is 108 divided by 72, so 1.50. So this is our ordinates to finding out the for VB. In next lecture we will draw the diagram of VB and also finding out the ordinates of VA and ordinates of MA. I hope you have to understanding this prop cantilever beam. The procedure is same like cantilever beam. So you have to practice it. In next lecture we have to draw the diagram of influence line of VB and finding out the coordinates of VA and MA for the remaining of this prop cantilever beam. Thank you student for watching this.